Hey guys, Tom Gentile. Welcome to my market update, August 6, 2018. Glad to have you here. Going to spend a few minutes looking at the overall markets and tell you why I think August is going to end up being a great month for the stock market. Let's take a quick peek at it, see what's going on here. So, SPY, take a look here. Technically looks really good. I mean, we've got support, broken support, pulled back, but now we're moving higher again, and resistance, and we've got rising support happening. This is an ascending triangle. Goes back to March of this year. We are already popping above 280 and making all-time highs once again. So, stock market technically looks positive. Look at bonds. Bonds have actually pulled back. This is actually a good thing for the stock market, and we're floating back around the 119 area right now. I think it got a little overdone, but even if we pull back up a little bit, I still think this is good for stocks. Darknet signal on TLT. So, can stocks and bonds both go up at the same time? Absolutely, as long as the bond market doesn't go too high or too low too fast. We want a Goldilocks movement that's happening in TLT. All right, across the pond we go. FXE, this is the foreign currency shares Euro Trust. The euro dollar basically hugs this particular ETF, and right now it's been hugging into a triangle. All right. My idea is that this triangle is going to get broken to the downside, and I think we are looking at 109. Not the worst thing in the world, as long as we don't go down to the lows we saw last year where we were par with the U.S. dollar. But as long as it remains in some sort of a range, this is actually not a factor for the U.S. stock market. And finally, take a look at oil, and this is USO. So we've had a great run with this one. Actually, we called this pattern quite well, but now that we're out of that pattern, we have seen what appears to be a head and shoulders top formation. We've broken that neckline. I think we trade sideways a bit, but then I also think that we are going to eventually come down and retest this area down here around the $13 level on USO. What does that mean? Well, 14 to 13. All right, is about, let's call it about a 7 to 8% move in USO. That means that we should expect to see oil and energy off somewhere around those numbers. And the biggest reason why I think that we're going to be ending the month better than we're starting it is right here. All right, these are the most popular stocks that are out there. We follow the top 325 stocks by volume, all right, by slippage. And we factor those in. And these most popular stocks start off the month really kind of uncertain. But as we get past the 15th, you start to see more and more bullishness happen. And then into the final 2 weeks of August and into Labor Day, nothing but green. And so that's exactly what we're looking for as we'd like to see these clusters. I like clusters of green. I also like clusters of red. It tells me that the most popular stocks want to and have for the last 10 years moved in those directions. And I think when I see this much on the screen, it tells me that the stock market as a whole wants to move higher as we get into the end of August and into the beginning of September. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. For those of you that have never tried our tools, we have a 7-day free trial. All you got to do is go to www.tomsoptiontools.com. Get your free trial. Just click on the little link. You'll find it, and you can get access to everything we have. It's not a light version. It is a full version of what we use. All right, guys. Hey, enjoyed it. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.